In a lively village surrounded by a vast desert, there lived a kind-hearted woodcutter named Ali Baba. One day, as he ventured into the woods to collect firewood, Ali Baba stumbled upon a secret meeting spot of a band of 40 thieving bandits. Hidden behind a large tree, he watched as their leader cried out, "Open sesame," and a magical door appeared in the rock, revealing a hidden cave filled with gold and treasures beyond imagination. Ali Baba waited patiently until the thieves left the cave and ventured inside it by repeating the magic words. As he marveled at the glittering jewels and heaps of gold coins, he couldn't believe his luck. Excitedly, he filled a small sack with as much treasure as he could carry without being noticed. Ali Baba knew he had to keep this discovery a secret to protect himself and his family. Upon returning home, his clever brother Cassim noticed Ali Baba's newfound wealth and persuaded him to reveal the truth. Unable to resist, Ali Baba shared the secret of the magic cave, strictly warning Cassim not to be greedy. But Cassim, driven by greed, raced to the hidden cave, crying out the magic words. Once inside, he filled bag after bag until his greediness got the better of him, and he forgot the magic words to exit. Back in the village, Ali Baba noticed his brother's absence and began to worry. He rushed to the cave and used the magic words to enter and rescue Cassim. However, the thieves soon discovered their secret cave had been breached and set out to find the intruder. Ali Baba and Cassim made it back safely, but the clever Ali Baba warned the villagers to be cautious of the thieves in disguise. Using his smarts and with the help of a brave girl named Morgiana, who worked for his family, Ali Baba managed to outwit the bandits by foiling their plots with clever tricks. Morgiana used her wit and courage to save Ali Baba's family from the bandits' revenge. Thanks to Ali Baba's kindness and cleverness, the village learned the value of courage, caution, and the importance of keeping secrets safe. The story of Ali Baba and the 40 thieves became the villagers' favorite tale to share around evening fires, a legend that echoed through generations. And so, happily ever after, Ali Baba and Morgiana lived with the village in peace, never needing to say open sesame again.